Hi, my name's Nate. I'm a stores person at Jazz based in Halifax. I had an interest in working at Jazz because I've always enjoyed traveling and I've had a passion for aviation. So I came to Jazz because my friend actually referred me. He told me nothing but great things, and since being here, the work-life balance and the team as a whole has been really quite great. One of the best parts of this job is definitely the travel perks. Already since I've been here, I've traveled to Texas, Las Vegas, I've been over to Europe, and I'm looking forward to going to other places. Since starting at Jazz, I've realized that this is more than just a job, but a career with lots of opportunities.